afternoon, and today's video start here. Today video start here. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, and good morning, and good whatever, depending on where you are watching us from. It's kind of windy and it's cloudy. It will rain soon, but anyway, our video today start here. This is Matthew KD, all the way from Namibia. That's of course in Africa, to be specific in Windhoek, and Windhoek is a capital city of Namibia. And here is where our today's video start. And today we are going to go, I'm going to go at the other side in town. There is a meeting and I need to go and attend this specific meeting. So I'm now currently in Independence Avenue. That's of course the longest street in Windhoek. I have to go along before I go and meet those people that we are having a meeting with. So I'm cruising very well here in the city. I don't know how long it will take for me to get to these people, but I have been waiting for some quite few time now, and they are just not showing up. But anyway, I'm ready for them. I'm ready for them. I don't know if they are going to show up or not, but I will be ready for them. So I have been waiting. These people have been giving me call after call, but I just don't understand why. Because all that I have given them my part. I have done my part. For them, they're just supposed to do their part. Then the business is sealed. But they are failing to deliver from their side. It's now started raining. It's now starting to rain. But it's a beautiful weather. Just check. Just check. Yes. Beautiful weather. See? I want you to see the sky. Those good, very well tall, window skybar. What do you call them? Skybar. I don't know. Is it skyscraper or skyscraper? I don't know. Those very tall. Those are in the middle of the city. Yes. Small white board. I don't know. Behind me here there's another one. I don't know how you call it. Yeah? See? That's how tall that building is. I don't know. Yeah, it's raining. I'm just going to cross to the other side. So please come with me until we see how far we will go and what is going to happen. For now, let me leave it around here. Hey, this one is so clean, but I'm still going on. But because of the battery, I have to save it until we get to the other side. So for now, let me end this one here. Yes. Good afternoon from Africa. Yes, I don't know. I hope you're doing good. We are doing very well. Ish. And I'm here at I'm at the not checkpoint, at robots. They call them traffic lights. Yeah, traffic lights. Yeah. These cars are very fast. Okay, I pass. Okay, I hope you are doing good. You're doing very good. My name is Matthew KD, the vlogger. We are coming to you live from the capital city of Namibia called Windhoek. And it's afternoon, just after lunch. It's actually we are going to 3. Okay. And I'm in the city of Windhoek. And currently in front of me there is a city of Windhoek, which is the capital city of Namibia. Okay, those are my surroundings. This is how it look like. I don't have something specific why I came here. No, I have a mini meeting with some official from Swakopmund. I don't know exactly what time, but I'm still waiting for them to say, because I'm waiting for them to call me, and I'm quite disappointed by the way they are conducting this one. It looks unprofessional, and I'm not happy with that. I'm totally unhappy with their conduct. But anyway, we will continue going on until the time they are going to meet us. I'm going to go and chill in the park a little bit. I will chill in the park a little bit until they will call. And the funny thing is, they say they will be in the meeting. So they say they will be in the meeting. Over here is the headquarters of the municipality of Windhoek. As you can see there, it say, I love Windhoek. They wrote there, I love Windhoek. And Windhoek is a capital city of Namibia. Those are the headquarters of the municipality of Windhoek, which is the capital city. Now, I will go this way. This one, that one, this one. We are in the surrounding of the headquarters. You can see that guy there is cutting the grass. Is he cutting the grass? I think so. I don't know, whatever he's doing. I think there's a generator there, which I believe it was cutting this grass. You can see the grass is well cut. There's a guy still there. I don't know if you can see him. Yes, that one. And here the grass looks very beautiful. This is the area where I'm at. I'm now facing the main street called Independence Avenue. And I'll go to the shop because I'll go to the shop and get something to eat because I have not eaten anything since the whole morning, since I got the breakfast. Now it's my turn. Let me cross here. Here's a robot. And there's a shop, different shop. Okay. I don't know if I must take this. Yes. Because most of the time you used to see me in the other street. This time I choose to come this way. I choose to come this way. I don't know if you have seen me in this street before. Yes. Check out the cloud, that's how it looks like. The sky is very happy. The sun is under the cloud. That's chilly and whatever you call it. That's how the sky of Windhoek looks like. It looks like it will rain after some time. Yes. The Ministry of Defense, that one. Ministry of Defense in Namibia. Okay. Go this way. Going this way. And I'm going to cross there and go to the other side. And the cars. Moving up and down. Too much noise. It's just after 3 minutes before 3, just 2 minutes before 3 in the afternoon. This street here. Okay. I will wait. This is me here. This is how I look like today. This is now up. Hello. Down in Benin. This is in town, Cinnamon. I have to end this one. I won't take it long because it's not allowed to do this, but anyway I have to because I need to put it in my content. I will just end it. Those are happy people in Namibia. I'll just end it after this when I go up here. Yes, happy people in Namibia. That is how the sky look like. See, the sky is fantastic. The rain. It's rain. I mean Post Street Mall window. This Post Street Mall. And Post Street Mall is it's a street where they hustle. They hustle here in the city. See? That's a humble beginning. And it's going to rain. And from there I'm moving towards where there's a metro rails. And it's kind of rush hour here. Everybody's rushing. It's about, not to rush hour, but it's about knocking off time. It's about knocking off time. So everybody is going to knock off, and we see these people here called Mama Mboga in Kenya. Those are the Mama Mboga. Yes. Here people are hustling and hustling and hustling. Hustle is real. Yes. And somehow nothing much is happening. It's quiet. I'm very disappointed. What I come here to do, I'm unable to do it because these people didn't call. They just wasted my time. No.
Just my sister.
They just wasted my time. I feel like I don't know. I feel like crashing them. And here, this is the meteor. These things, they didn't come from planet Earth. This one. They fell from somewhere else to here. Many years ago. And they are very famous. They are very famous here. You see, that's why people come here from all over the world to come and visit those things, especially those from Europe and from elsewhere. Now I must just be chilling around here at the city center. This is where I find myself. It's like I know the person. I don't know what's wrong with her, but I don't know her. But the way she's looking at me is like, oh, I don't know. But anyway, this is so beautiful. So beautiful here in the city. People are hustling here, but this is not normal in other places. It's only here where I see people, they are forcing to sell their things here. In the city, I don't know what's wrong with them, but it's not normal at all. But anyway, we'll meet on the next one. Let me end this one here. It started to rain. Just take down there. It's raining. You can just take down there. It's raining. It's raining cars and doors. See? I can just take another. Just check how heavy it is. Everyone is running. Everyone is running, and it's raining solid. It's raining stone. raining very, very heavily. So it's raining really very, very much. You cannot see to that other side. I never knew it was like this. Why were this place of ninja raining very heavily. Just check down. You can see the water there down. Yes, after the rain, this is how I'm swaggering like. And it was raining, quite raining, and everybody was just rushing. So now I need to rush as fast as possible because no, I don't need a photo. I need to rush as fast as possible because those people are waiting for me there in front. The people that called me yesterday, the meeting is going to happen now. So let me rush and see what they are going to say. I'm rushing there. Yes.